I was just doing this question and I thought, oh, this doesn't work. It's because I didn't read the question properly. Which of these words, when rotated by 180 degrees, so that's turned upside down, still says the same word? Not a word, the same word. So this one would go n. Ooh, that was a bit exciting, wasn't it? Unexpected. So this one would go, it would be n. Ooh, no, that's not one, is it? This is the one that threw me. It would say on. But it's not the same word. On is not the same word as no. Mo would, so the W would go like that, and then it would go like that. So it's mo, depending on the font you use. That was a moan, wasn't it? Tat, the T's would be upside down, as in bat, the T would be upside down.